Hello everyone, welcome to Web Design Hubs, and today we're going to continue on a part 2 of our SEO case study. So as you guys see, we don't have any search results, we don't have any clicks coming in from Google, and I'm showing you guys how I rank websites on Google to page number 1 or start getting free traffic from Google. So last time, as you guys know, this is where we were, and so this was the first video and I started to get a little traction. So I went in yesterday, 2 days ago, and I added a new location page, also a search engine optimization page. Then I also added frequently asked questions and reviews. I didn't do much, I just added as also new pictures as well. So I'm just showing you guys the difference. 2 days later I start getting impressions, right? So the reason why impressions are important is because you want to come up in front of people's faces, right? So the more Google puts you in front of people's faces, which equals to impressions, the more clicks you get. As you see, no impressions or 3 impressions, which is basically nothing. The more impressions you get, the more clicks you get. So as you see, just 2 days ago, did some work, and now we're getting 27 impressions per day. So my goal is to get a lot of impressions per day, and which will equal to more clicks. So that's that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm probably going to start stuffing keywords. I still didn't put any keywords. I just wrote a little content, put up some new pictures, reviews, facts, and yeah, so what I do is additionally, so as you see on this page, I'm targeting the keywords web design and development. This is for the home page. So my whole job is to basically populate this website with as much information as possible. Soon I'm going to add other categories, going to add more services, logo design, social media startup, add more portfolio, add some more locations. This is basically service locations. So once I added this page, I started to get keywords like website design Brooklyn, or Brooklyn web design agencies, Brooklyn web design firm. So just in 2 days I started ranking for this keyword, even though it's position number 59, but this is just the beginning. We got 2 impressions. So our main goal is to get for this keyword page number 1. When we get to page number 1, the impressions are going to skyrocket, and once we get more impressions, we're going to get more clicks for that keyword. So let me show you guys a little example of what a successful search engine optimized website looks like. So as you see, this person is getting around 5 to 15 customers going to their website per day. I'm gonna take you on this journey. Please follow my channel, and if you need search engine optimization for your company, please contact me.